Welcome back to this tricky math question. 19 minus 9 parenthesis 19 minus 9. Try to solve on your own and comment your answer to get featured in this shortout list. These are top commenters. You can be the part of this list. So here we can see there is parenthesis and actually there are multiple operations. So we will solve with the help of PEMDAS. Okay. So according to PEMDAS, first reference will be given to parenthesis. So we will P for parenthesis actually, for those who don't know. First we will operate this parenthesis part, that is what? 19 minus 9 which equals to 10. So this parenthesis will give result 10. So we will write here 19 minus 9 parenthesis 10, or we can simply write 19 minus 9 times 10. Okay, like that. Now there are two operations, that is subtraction and multiplication, and according to that we have high priority on multiplication because there is multiplication, PEMDAS, and last subtraction. So first we will operate this. Do not operate like this, like 19 minus 9 that is equal to 10. 10 times 10 that is equal to 100. This is not the right way, this is wrong way. So what is the right way? I will show you here. From here we can write 19 minus 9 times 10. Now we have to operate this multiplication first. That is 19 minus 9 times 10 which equal to what? 90. Now when we subtract 90 from 19, we can simply write like this. Oh sorry, that is 19, that's not like that, like this. Now 10, 9, 1, and that is what? 8 minus 7, and simply minus 71. So we can simply write minus 71 here, which is the right answer. So here right answer is minus 71. And if you see this, then must check out our best product for you, only for you, in the description. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.